Yes, reset it. All right, we say we are still in the candy shop in Port Antonio here at Boundbrook, and this is the place where you come and get all your sugar rush. Okay, this is where all the sugar rush is happening. Okay, and we have Laffy Taffy. I haven't seen that in a while. Look at that. We have Laffy Taffy, and if you want the sour punch, right here. Go ahead, and here we go. This is a crazy place. All them little ones that go crazy for candy. And we're going to meet the lady that's responsible for all these goodness, all these crazy things that's going on here. Okay? And somebody already take us to the candy shop. So let's explore and see what's happening inside the candy shop. Okay, as we say, we're in Port Antonio and we're still in Portland. And this is one of the young entrepreneur. Young lady here that's doing all the crazy things, and we're going to meet her now. I think she's somewhere here. All right, hello there. How are you?
Hello, how are you?
Okay, beautiful.
Welcome to Tea's Candylicious.
Beautiful, candy.
Where you can get all of life's sweet little pleasures.
Beautiful, Candylicious. And what's your name, beautiful?
Charisse.
Charisse.
Otherwise called Reese.
Okay, beautiful. And Charisse, how long you been doing this? How long you been located here?
A year and a half.
About a year and a half. Okay, and what business like?
It's been good. It's a little bit slow during COVID, but
okay. Okay, so now you're gonna get them going because you know you're gonna welcome back all the kids. So tell the kids what's going on in your place, what you have for them. And I give them the
grab your popcorns, grab your smoothies, grab your milkshakes, grab some sweets, and have a smile.
Tell us about the candy. What type of candy you have? Names?
Well, we have like M&M's, Skittles, Jolly Ranchers,
yes.
And then we have candies that go by the pound, so it goes by the weight.
Oh, so you do candy by the pound too?
Okay.
And all the candies that you say just now, you have them by the pound, or there's a special variety?
Some are by the pound and some are by the
single orders.
Yes.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
So for the New Year's, what's going to happen for the New Year's now? Tell me what's going on.
A big man up above a plan because Corona just a run around plans.
Okay, so it's all about Corona then?
It's all about Corona right now.
Make it be a stamp and a name brand in our life, huh? Corona. So as we say, invite Portland people at your place. Let me hear you invite them. Tell them where to find you, how to find you.
Okay guys, come on down by Boundbrook, 135 Boundbrook Plaza. Located right next to Port Antonio. Port Antonio School, yeah?
Port Antonio High, yes.
Port Antonio High.
Right.
Come on by and check us out. You know, you can grab your popcorn, grab some smoothie. And plus we have big people smoothie too, so.
Okay.
You know, you can stop by.
Smoothie for everybody.
Smoothie for everybody.
Okay.
Yes.
So tell them what your time hours that you're open.
Okay, we're open from 9:30 until 6.
9:30 and 7 days a week, or is it?
6, from Mondays to Saturdays.
Beautiful.
Eventually Sundays.
Yes. Eventually, it's gonna be.
In the future.
In the future.
Sundays.
Okay, so Sunday is a picnic evening because the kids gonna be out on Sundays, ice creams and all that. All right. So what's your name again, may I ask?
Charisse.
Okay, guys. So you're gonna come by Boundbrook, right beside the school, the Port Antonio High, and there's a candy shop over on your right hand side there. Come and see Cherish. She have everything in store, all the sugar rush. She have it right here. Okay. And as we say, she was saying just now, we have candy by the pound. And here we go. These are what you have in stock. By the pound. Okay. Look at that. All these go by the pound, I reckon. Am I right?
Yes, those go by the weight.
Okay, here we go. Beautiful. So here we go. Your sugar rush. If you come to Port Antonio and you think you're low on sugar, know where to go, and know where to come, and know where to go, but right here. Okay, you're in the place. All right, so Back Bottom Kitchen, taking it to.
Bye, peace out.
There you go.